If you're looking to add a payment system to your Skool platform, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get it set up and even share an alternative that might suit your needs better. Stick around until the end for an exclusive offer that could save you a ton of time and effort. So, the first thing you need to know is that Skool does not have a built in payment system. That means you can't simply toggle a switch to start accepting payments. However, you can integrate it with tools like Stripe or PayPal. These integrations will allow you to process payments for your community or courses. Next thing, if you're looking to integrate Stripe with Skool, you need to make sure that you've got a Stripe account ready. You'll head into your Skool admin settings and look for the Payments section. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. These can be found in your Stripe dashboard under Developers and then API keys. Paste those into the Skool payment settings, and you're halfway there. The third thing to know is that once you've connected your payment processor, you'll have more options for your community's membership payments. This is a major feature if you're offering subscription-based or one-time payments. With the Stripe integration, for example, you can set up recurring payments to charge members monthly or yearly, making it easy to manage and scale your community. Another thing to consider is the PayPal integration. Setting up PayPal with Skool follows a similar process. Once you've connected your PayPal account to Skool through the settings, you can start collecting payments almost immediately. PayPal has a huge user base, so this might be a better option for some users, especially if you're targeting international customers. However, here's where things get a little tricky. While Skool allows these payment system integrations, the overall payment management system could use some improvement. For example, Skool's interface isn't the most intuitive when it comes to customizing payment plans or offering a seamless checkout experience. Some users report issues with subscriptions and invoices not syncing perfectly with user accounts. The fourth thing I want to mention is the fees involved. Both Stripe and PayPal have transaction fees that can add up, especially if you're processing a high volume of payments. So it's important to factor this into your pricing strategy. Keep in mind that while the integrations work, they are not as deeply embedded into Skool's system as they would be in a platform that's built for e-commerce or course selling. Now, if you're looking for a more robust and seamless solution for payments, there are alternatives out there that might work better for your goals. You might want to consider platforms like Podia or Kajabi, which offer integrated payment processing, detailed analytics, and a more user-friendly experience when it comes to managing memberships, courses, and payment plans. Finally, don't forget about the exclusive offer we have for you. We've partnered with a platform that not only integrates payment processing, but also has a more polished, all-in-one solution for growing your community. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial and exclusive benefits, which are only available to our viewers. But even more importantly, we've covered some amazing alternatives that could be a better fit for your specific needs when it comes to payment management. So, while Skool is a great platform for building communities, if you're looking for a more seamless and feature-rich payment system, I'd recommend checking out these alternatives. Use our link in the description to get the best trial and take advantage of these exclusive benefits.